Hi, this is Tony from New Dimension Fabric Protection, and we have this Eilersen fabric, and it's a 45% viscose, and we're going to spill red wine on it. Now, it is a viscose cotton poly mix, and usually people are afraid to wet clean or have spills on viscose, but we have figured out how to wet clean viscose. That shouldn't be a problem. So let's get quite a bit of wine onto this. And if you notice on the left-hand side where it's starting to soak in and stain already, so let's blot it off so we can see what it looks like. And remember, this New Dimensions protector will not change the look or feel. It just won't change the hand of the fabric. So let's blot it off, and you can see it coming right off. Now, as spill this big, you're still probably going to have us rinse the spot because it's going to be sticky. But look at that. The right-hand side has no stain, and the left-hand side is stained. So remember, New Dimension fabric protection.